Navigating the world of travel credit cards can be overwhelming, with countless options offering various rewards and perks. Are you maximizing the benefits from your travel credit card, or could a switch in 2024 put better opportunities within your grasp? Let's be delving into our top picks for travel credit cards in 2024 and beyond. Elevate your finances with WealthWise Insider, wisdom for wealth builders. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. From flying business class to staying in luxurious hotels, credit cards have played a pivotal role in facilitating these experiences. While the market is flooded with numerous credit card options, only a select few are truly ideal for travel. Stick around till the end of this video as we'll be highlighting 4 credit cards that are perfect for all you travelers out there. Let's kick things off with the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card. It's undeniably one of Chase's most sought-after credit cards, not just for travel enthusiasts, but for everyone. This sleek, metallic card exudes a premium vibe, but its true value lies in the rewards it offers. Currently, you can earn a hefty 60,000 bonus points after spending $4,000 on purchases within the first 3 months. Considering its modest annual fee of just $95, this sign-up bonus is quite enticing. What's more, the reward structure is impressive. 5x points on travel booked through the Chase Travel Portal, 3x points at restaurants and on streaming services, 2x points on other travel purchases, and 1x points on everything else. Moreover, there's a 10% points bonus annually based on your total card spending. With benefits like an annual $50 Ultimate Rewards hotel credit, complimentary Dash Pass subscription, trip cancellation insurance, and more, the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card is a standout option for beginners and seasoned travelers alike. Additional benefits include no foreign transaction fees, making it ideal for international travelers. Cardholders also enjoy premium travel protection services such as baggage delay insurance and purchase protection. The points earned with the Chase Sapphire Preferred can also be transferred to several airline and hotel loyalty programs, often at the 1-to-1 ratio, which can maximize the value of these points for frequent travelers. Next up, we have the American Express Gold Card, a cornerstone of the Amex ecosystem. This premium card, crafted from metal, offers an attractive welcome bonus of 60,000 membership reward points upon spending $6,000 in the first 6 months. While its annual fee of $250 may seem steep, the card's rewards justify the cost. Earn 4x points at restaurants worldwide, including takeout and delivery, and at the US supermarkets up to $25,000 per year, along with 3x points on flights booked directly with airlines or on Amex Travel. Additionally, there's a $120 Uber Cash credit, $120 dining credit, and $100 experience credit, among other perks. With no foreign transaction fees, this card is a stellar option for earning valuable Amex points, especially for those who dine out frequently or travel internationally. The card also includes a personalized travel service, which can assist cardholders with travel arrangements and provide custom recommendations. The Gold Card's purchase protection can cover your new purchases against damage or theft. Additionally, cardholders can enjoy exclusive access to ticket pre-sales and card member-only events, which include concerts, sports events, and more. Moving on to the Capital One Venture X Rewards Card, which offers 2 variants, the Venture X Rewards and the Venture Rewards. Despite its higher annual fee of $395, the Venture X Rewards card stands out with a generous welcome bonus of 75,000 bonus miles after spending $4,000 in the first 3 months. Earn 10x points on hotels and rental cars booked through Capital One Travel, 5x points on flights booked directly through Capital One Travel, and 2x points on all other purchases. Moreover, the card comes with a $300 annual travel credit, $100 credit for TSA pre-check or global entry, and lounge access to over 1,300 airport lounges. While the annual fee may seem daunting, the card's benefits make it a compelling choice for frequent travelers seeking flexibility and rewards. Additional features of the Venture X Rewards card include complimentary rental car insurance and extended warranty protection. Cardholders also receive up to $200 in credits for vacation rentals, enhancing its appeal to diverse travelers. Additionally, Capital One provides access to a 24/7 concierge service that can assist with travel planning, dining reservations, and event bookings. Lastly, let's discuss the Chase Sapphire Reserve Card, another premium offering from Chase. While it boasts a hefty annual fee of $550, the card's benefits are unparalleled. With a welcome bonus of 60,000 Chase Ultimate Rewards points after spending $4,000 in the first 3 months, the Chase Sapphire Reserve Card offers substantial rewards. Earn 10x points on hotels and car rentals through the Chase Travel Portal after spending $300, 10x points on certain dining purchases, 5x points on flights booked through the portal, and 3x points on other travel and dining expenses. Additional perks include a $300 travel credit, Priority Pass membership, Lyft Bank and Dash Pass subscriptions, and trip insurance. Furthermore, Chase Ultimate Rewards points are worth 50% more when redeemed through the Chase Travel Portal, making this card a lucrative choice for frequent travelers who value luxury and convenience. The card's luxury travel benefits extend to include special rental car privileges and upgrades through partner programs. Sapphire Reserve card holders also benefit from emergency evacuation and transportation coverage when traveling. Additionally, the card offers exclusive access to a variety of experiences and events, ranging from culinary tours to VIP treatment at cultural festivals. Now here's a bonus for those looking to enhance their credit card reward strategy. First and foremost, always ensure you pay off your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges, which can quickly eat into the rewards you earn. For instance, using a card like the Chase Sapphire Preferred for daily expenses, not just travel, maximizes your points accumulation. Secondly, utilize your rewards card for all possible purchases, from monthly utility bills to grocery shopping. For example, putting your monthly internet and cell phone bills on your American Express Gold card can earn you extra points, especially if those categories are rewarded highly during certain promotions. Lastly, keep an eye on special promotions offered by your card issuer. Many issuers periodically offer bonuses for spending in specific categories or increase rewards for shopping with particular retailers. Signing up for email updates from your issuer can keep you informed about these opportunities, ensuring you never miss out on valuable bonus points. Combining these strategies not only maximizes your rewards but can also help to effectively offset the cost associated with annual fees, making the most of every card in your wallet. So these are our top recommendations for travel credit cards in 2024. Remember, credit cards offer numerous benefits, and maximizing your rewards can enhance your travel experiences significantly. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on personal finance, entrepreneurship, and investing. Until next time, happy travels!